you guys, welcome to my channel. Today it is a Stitchfix unboxing. It is my autumn Stitchfix for 2018. I haven't had a Stitchfix fix since July, July, summer. There were some really cute shorts, remember, with lemons on them and a yellow shirt, so cute stuff. This should be fall, this should be flannel, this should be sweaters. Hopefully this is what I've been pinning like crazy on my Pinterest board. So I'm really hoping Nikki saw what I like. Okay, so let's dig in. I'm pretty sure you know what Stitch Fix is by now. If you don't, Google it. I'm just kidding. So I have a personal stylist. You can have one too if you want to sign up and use my referral code, and then I get $25 credit, and then if somebody uses your referral code, you get $25 credit. It's a wonderful system. Anyway, yeah, so personal stylist, you got 5 pieces. You can keep them, you can send them back, you can send all of them back except one, but you don't need to pay your styling fee if you keep a piece. If you keep all 5 pieces, you get 25% off, which, hello, 25% of 5, I mean, like 5 goes into 100, 25 times, so, no, it goes in 100, 4, you know what I mean, you know, it goes in 20 times, but the point is, this is why I was a theater major, you guys. The point is, you practically get a free one. My dog is walking across my room while I'm filming, and she sniffs the ground, and she, instead of just sort of avoiding tripods and light stands, she just walks right up against them. So like the camera, if the camera ever does this, it's because of Sophie. Okay, envelope. Haven't used one of these in a long time. Where's my little card? Oh, this is a brick. Flannel. Oh, there she is. Love my card. Hi, Rebecca. Happy October. I'm so thrilled you enjoyed your last fix. For this fix, using your Pinterest board inspiration, I found you a comfy and cozy options for the cold fall. You know what? I'm waiting for that cold fall. It's still 70 degrees here, but soon it's supposed to get cold. I think you'll love the burnt orange machine washable Market and Spruce cargo jacket. It's perfect for layering over the super soft cut from the cloth plaid shirt, your just black skinny jean. Oh, that's what I got before. And your favorite booties for a preppy fall look. Cotton blend, machine washable Harper Lane pullover is great for day to night and can be worn off the shoulder. It's great for pairing with the cup rolled up Mavi boyfriend jean. Looser fit, not too baggy. Oh, yes, yes. So, you guys, I put in my profile my new weight and size measurements. So I'm really hoping I didn't mess a bunch of stuff up, because when you have a groove and you have a size that your stylist knows kind of how it works, everything's been really fitting well from Stitch Fix. So here I go, lose 20 pounds, and you know, am I gonna get stuff that's maybe too small because she sized down for me, but it doesn't quite fit right? Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. I think my husband is outside using the leaf blower. All right, we'll deal. Let me tell you the prices of things while I hold them up, and then I will try them on for you later. Oh, nothing looks too expensive. This off the shoulder thing I'm really curious about. Okay, I think that's what this is. So we have a Harper Lane cowl neck off the shoulder off-white sweater for $68. This is cute. Kind of a stone shade, right? Oh, and look at this cowl neck. Whoa, that is a cowl of a cowl neck. That is Simon Cowell, folks. That is a big cowl. So, I mean, I don't know how it goes off my shoulders. Okay, I like it. I already know I like it. Size small. Oh my God, this is the cut from the Kloth boyfriend pocket shirt, size small, $68. I'm scared. I'm scared that my arms are gonna be too fat. This is cute though. This is really cute. I love it. Oh, it has snaps. This is really cute. Cut from the Kloth is such a great brand. So hopefully that will fit. It also looks like it might shrink because it's cotton, so I'll have to wash it nicely. And then here is this cargo jacket. I have some other jackets that are really great from Stitchfix that are just kind of light shells. There's those, they're kind of cargo, but they almost had like a tencel fabric to them. So this is different, being cotton, and I like it. I love this color. I'm wondering how this looks. It looks cute. It looks, I mean, it looks kind of boxy, but maybe not too much. Market Spruce cargo jacket in small, $84. Kind of pricey. Like, I wouldn't go to TJ Maxx and spend $84 on this, but you never know. It might be worth it. And then this must be that other sweater. Ooh, Kasia large striped sweater, $64. Size small. Ooh, wow, I'm glad she sent me a small. This is, look at, hello. This is large. This is very boxy, which, you know what? I love boxy. Problem is, I don't know. Sometimes I think like I look a little too plain because I like everything sort of boxy and baggy. But I like this kind of stripe thing going on. It's got this little flap. It's soft. It's really soft. And then here's the Mavi boyfriend jeans. These are really cute. Oh, the Emma Slim boyfriend. These have to fit. I have to wear a pair of Emma jeans. Size 6. And I think these are $88. And I don't know. We'll see if these are really boyfriend baggy or not. They're very soft. They have a definite stretch to them. They've got the cuff thing going on. So this is cute. This is cute. Try this on. I'll be right back. Alrighty, folks. Here is the cargo jacket. And I think I like the color. It's comfy. It fits, but I don't know if I love it. I think it might be a little bit boxy. But then who cares, right? Maybe I just throw it on over. It's for warmth, like with a cute scarf. I don't know. I'm wondering if my torso is too long. Like, it almost needs to be a little bit longer. It fits this way, but maybe it needs to be longer on me for proportions. So I don't know, but I mean, I kind of, maybe I can tighten these buttons. That might help nip it in. Okay, and then here is that sweater. This is really comfy. It's very kind of collegiate. Kind of takes me back to the 90s. It's got kind of this funny little stripe action going, and it's it fits. It's cute. I mean, it's soft, so like it's comfy. The jeans, these Mavi jeans, are so comfortable. Back up so you can see. I don't know how quite distressed they are. I think there might be I don't think it's the same as the description, but I think the pockets are properly placed from a backside. They have a little stretch in them, so they might stretch out a smidge, which is okay since they're the boyfriend style, so they can be kind of loose. They're kind of long actually. So if any of you tall, long-legged girls out there need jeans that fit, these Mavi ones might be for you. Okay, now I'm going to try on the cowl neck sweater. I will be right back. Here is the cowl neck. I love this. This is so much fun. It's so comfy. It's such a fun color because it's so neutral, but it has like a little bit of something to it. Like, it's not quite gray, it's not quite white. This cowl neck is very dramatic. I am always about a cowl neck. I love a cowl neck. So I'll probably wear it like this. I guess you can wear it like this. I'm like, how is it off the shoulder? Like so, maybe? Hi. Let's see. You always see stuff on Pinterest, like these girls are like, look at me and my coffee. So maybe I'll do that. I'm gonna post a picture. You guys can, I'll go on Instagram like this. So it's cute. I don't know, I'll play with it. It doesn't seem natural to me. Yeah, I'm not really off the shoulder. Oh, okay, maybe. I see what's happening. This is kind of cute. Okay, I guess. Sure, why not? But it's cold and rainy in these parts usually come October and November, so I'm just gonna do this. But yeah, I do like this a lot. It's fun. It's cute. So here is the cut from the Kloth plaid shirt. So comfortable. So comfortable. It's this lightweight cotton. It almost feels kind of gauzy. Like it is just so, it's cozy, but it's breathable. Like it doesn't feel kind of stiff and heavy flannel. It's just nice and comfy. And I think because even though it's a size small, it's not too tight, and so it's roomy enough, but it also isn't like completely boxy to kind of give me, you know, I tuck it in kind of partially. That's kind of cute. So I'm digging it. You guys will see this a lot in upcoming makeup videos, trust me. All right, so that is my Stitch Fix for October. Probably the only one I'll get this autumn because I actually have a trunk club scheduled to arrive before the holidays. So let me know what you think, and I want your kind but honest opinion in the comments. And yeah, so I will put my referral code below for you if you want to sign up with Stitch Fix. And I just always have a lot of luck with Nikki, and I am very specific in my notes I leave for her, in my requests, in my Pinterest board, inspiration of the styles I like. So I'm always answering those style questions, and I think you just kind of got to be really forthcoming and honest, especially about your size and how things fit on your body and how you prefer them and all that stuff to make Stitch Fix work for you. And so far it's worked for me. This is my 37th fix, and I think I could probably say I've only sent back maybe 5, and maybe like I've only sent one back, like sent the whole thing back. And it probably was just because I didn't feel like the one thing, you know, for whatever reason. And there's very rare where I send a piece back, so I'm mostly keeping all 5 items. So I have a lot of clothes. I need to wear more. I need to like change my clothes 3 times a day like they did in, like, you know, aristocracy. Okay. Anyhow, that's everything. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and click that notification and click thumbs up on this video. That would be great. And I will see you next time. Bye.